Yo. What is up, guys? Welcome here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're here with Kyodi. The war. It's on. The war is here. The war is active, fully blood clot running. Kyodi, off guard. Tentic this. You know, so the war now miss. Blood clot head boy. Make sure say you like it video, you know. If you don't like a video, one big fatty leg, aka centipede, I go crawl along in your ears when you're asleep. Hey boy, make sure you like it with a cross, angry, miserable. Yo, let's jump in on here where Kyodi has said to Tentic. Let's go. A video we get video? Woo! Okay. The badness get bad now.
Which pussy this how we no fling that down? Me have killer when no think, where do things undone?
Which pussy this how we no fling that down? Which boy this how we no fling that down? Who? Show up your head. I'm gonna bust out your face. Oh, brother. We ready?
Which pussy this how we no fling that down? Me have killer when no think, where do things undone? This Marcus the big man son. Chip clap breeze and no wind that come.
It is Marcus, the big man son. It is Gargaman son. It is Budgebantan son. It is Iko. It's me. It's I Budgebantan, you know, and some little guy, this Marcus, you know, and Marcus is just a producer where put out some good tune and thing, you know. So I Budgebantan is here to tell Tentic to leave Marcus all time out, you know. You don't know. I don't want to box him down like Will Smith box down Chris Rock, you know. So better. I just easy, you know. Because of blood clots and gargle. You hear me say? Tentic. Sorry about that, guys. I got carried away. I'm sorry. Tentic say, yo, which pussy are this the big man son? Who are this the G son? One are this the yo.
This Marcus the big man son. Chip clap breeze and no wind that come. Red Hills Road battle King Kong come. C4 rifleman no pin that down.
Red Hills Road, blood, tell King Kong forward. King Kong forward now. Forward back we each up something in your face. Remember, so we have the coke killer in your youth.
Come, Red Hills Road, battle King Kong come. C4 rifleman no pin that down. Be a big long gun. Easy. Be a big long gun. We love shoot people, we think that fun. Go for boy blood, but I him that run.
We love shoot people, we think that fun. It's like just like you're with a guy party and have a fun time and you're enjoying yourself. That is fun to you. But what the G say? I saw him love shoot people. Him think that fun. That is his hobby. So killing Tentic is no problem for me.
That down, be a big long gun. Easy. Be a big long gun. We love shoot people. We think that fun. Go for boy blood, but I him that run. Press the AK.
Go for boy blood, but I him that run. Blood, run. Play pan words again. Yo, them two artists about your fuck, dog.
Be a big long gun. Be a big long gun. We love shoot people, we think that fun. Go for boy blood, but I him that run. Press the AK, make his spring start punks. Squeeze up a trigger, my finger numb.
Yo, my finger numb, dog. Yo, give me something for... Yo, finger numb, dog, yo. Press the AK to my finger numb. Fire up in us and jumps up, boom, like a girl back road that jump. Boom, yeah.
Press the AK, make his spring start punks. Squeeze up a trigger, my finger numb. Alien no afraid and no boy ya dumb. No way you know about Jim Brown grandson.
Alien no afraid of no pussy, no boy. Are you dumb? What you know about Jim grandson? What you know about Jim Brown grandson?
No. Alien no afraid and no boy ya dumb. No way you know about Jim Brown grandson. Room in your foot, yeah, that slow you down. Room in your face, all when they are ground.
Picture that. Yeah, run. No, wait. Yeah, play them now, they friend them. Yeah, itch up on the corner. Yeah, go check a one girl. Boom. Tint up car, pull up. Boom. Man jump out. Who that? Kyodi. Who get shocked like him get electric? Tentic. What go on there so down? Boom. One in them foot. Slow him down. Drop a gun. Boom. One in them head. What them there ground?
Son, room in your foot, yeah, that slow you down. Room in your face, all when they are ground. Half guard, you catchy boy. Anthony spin magnum bunny.
We catch him off guard. We use girl trick him. Cause him a think with him little head and I know say yo him big head I go get boss. Get it? Bob Muckler, I should be an artist. I should be an artist.
Off guard, we catch you boy.
Good.
Tony spin magnum funny. No care how him a cry. And I beg me say please don't shut him.
Brother, nobody can save you no matter how much you ball when time you come go so. Knocking at your door? No, say you gonna get floor.
Funny. No care how him a cry. And I beg me say please don't shut him. Off guard we catch you boy. And be
right, catch it.
16 like jump on him. No care how him a cry. That couldn't stop we from gunshot him. Which boy me fi afraid of fool? After no boy never favor tool. From
Which boy am I afraid of fool? After no boy never favor tool. Like what?
Which boy me fi afraid of fool? After no boy never favor tool. From me day in a 1 grade of school. Me no back from boy 6th grade of cool.
From in a 1 grade, me a deal in 6th grade boy. Wicked, me no back from no boy. They better see me and clutch.
From me day in a 1 grade of school. Me no back from boy 6th grade of cool. Mind where you stand up off your favor pool. Who a gas him up, how do you hear balloon?
Mind where you stand up off a favor pool of blood. Me we make you stand up. Me we make anyway you stand up. Become a pool of blood. Your blood that. Not your blood and you look at that friend them around you. Who gas it up? Yeah, what? Hear balloon? Yeah, who?
Mind where you stand up off your favor pool. Who a gas him up, how do you hear balloon? Big guy turn on, the intro hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet, no on.
How? Kyodi boss a gun name, what that? Yo! Big guy turn on the intratech. Never hear nothing yet. Never hear nothing like that yet, brother.
Big guy turn on the intratech. Hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet. No on.
Me like that. Big guy turn on the intratech. Hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet. Yo, listen how the... I'm gonna say Marcus. Listen how Marcus play with the rhythm right this hour. Listen.
Cool. Mind where you stand up off your favor pool. Who a gas him up? How do you hear balloon? Big guy turn on, the intratech, hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet, no on.
Oh my God! Whoa!
Big guy turn on, the intratech, hold on. Never hear nothing like that yet, no on. Humbo clad, the thing mad. Tell a boy try test we think bad. Member give run out with the zigzag. Sman the yaffy drop, get a big bag. Me tag them at the valley as a fucking mob. GX road badness, I never did prank.
The dog them at Tivoli, brother. GX Road, all I G them. West Kingston, East Kingston, yo, every Kingston up so Kingston down so every Kingston I say yo.
Me tag them at the valley as a fucking mob. GX Road badness I never did prank. Gunshot in a face I never did blank. Close range make you swear is a 6 pounds.
Brother, gunshot in your face I never did blank. I never blank me a fire, bro. You just assumed. Look at assumption get you. Eh? Close range. Make you think a 6 pounds lick your brother. No, bro, I'm a Glock.
Gunshot in a face, I never did blank. Close range, make you swear is a 6 pounds. Off guard, we catch you boy. And Tony spin magnum funny. No care how him a cry. And I beg me say please don't shut him. Off guard, we catch you boy. And beat the 16 like jump on him. No care how him a cry. That couldn't stop we from gunshot him. Wish pussy this how we no fling that down. Me have killer when no think where do things undone. This man go see big man son. Chip clap breeze and no wind that come. Red Hills road back till King can come. See 4 rifleman no pin that down. Be a big long gun. Easy. Be a big long gun. Man. No boy. No bag of chatty neither. No pussy. Rope. Right, mom.
Yo, the boss got video, bro. The boss got video, another one, yeah. The boss got video. It's authentic. Gonna drop a video or authentic drop a video because remember I am late reacting. So authentic drop a video. Me pum pum clot. Yo, the war bad. The war bad. The war nice. Who will lead for the door? Who will lead? Who's leading? Who is leading? Honestly, who is leading? Honestly, me, don't ask me because I don't know. No ask nothing, me don't know, me don't know. No ask nothing, me don't know, me don't know. Yo, this bad though. This bad. Yo, the flow bad. And the fact say him forward out come defend Marcus, in producer, in team, he must say, yo, brother, you should have never this big man son that alone make me go chop off your face. You see me? You can't this Buju son, that's what the G say. Lyrical giants. These two are two lyrical giants. The song them bad. The consistency is sick. Me love it. 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 Yeah, me love it. Yeah, me love it too. Me love it too. Two side of song them. Me not have no favorite. I am reacting. Me not have no favorite with two artists and bad, and I'm here for the show. I'm here to give you guys reaction, and this is what we're doing. Yeah, this is what we're doing. When time warrior go on, member say no, I'm gonna be slow on the normal songs, and that's not this song, you know. We're pertaining to the war, you know, because we focus on the war mainly. But we're gonna leave that one here right so and jump in our authentic cassette. So if you don't like the video, like the Pussy Club video now. Yeah, like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.